sa'yo kagahapon? Ha? Opo. Bulutin mo yun! Gagawin ko yun, ha? You're gonna do it again? Hindi ko. Huwag mong sabihin sa nanay mo! Pag sinabi mo yan, nangyayari ka sa amin. Tandaan mo yan! Stop bullying them! Huwag kayong maingay! Bayan mo kami! O, tapos ismamalo ko dapat sinumpong mo kay teacher!
Hello everyone, I am Josh Asher Emmanuel Romero.
And I am Jael Francis Luisa and Javiliana.
What you just saw is called bullying.
Bullying happens when someone uses mean words, pushes others, or makes fun of them.
Bullying is not a joke. It can hurt feelings and make children sad and lonely.
When a child is bullied, they may feel scared to go to school.
That is why bullying should never be ignored.
We can prevent bullying by choosing kindness every day.
We should speak politely and use kind words.
We can include everyone in games and activities.
We should not laugh when someone is being bullied.
If we see bullying, we must tell a teacher, parent, or any trusted adult.
We can also help by standing beside our friends and supporting them.
Being brave does not mean fighting.
Being brave means doing what is right.
When we help one another, our school becomes a safe place.
A safe school is a happy school.
Let us be brave, let us speak up, let us choose kindness.
Every child deserves a safe and happy school.